welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_Home44. Today I am going to be showing you how to protect your couch. I bought this product at Amazon and I actually bought two just to make sure that all the surfaces are covered. But as you know, in my previous video, my husband and we just purchased this sectional sofa. And since this is light colored sofa, we wanted to protect it from stains and some dirts and some spills. We're gonna be making sure that nobody's gonna be bringing in their drinks over here, but we wanna make sure that even though someone mistakenly take drinks over here, we're gonna try to protect it. So the name of the product is Scotch Gard Fabric Water Shield, Long-Lasting Protection, Waterproofs Fabric. This is not a sponsored post, but I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you're interested in purchasing this same product, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. It's not going to cost you any extra, but being an Amazon associate, I earn a little bit of commission if you use my link, but it's not going to cost you extra. So if you want to support my channel and me making more videos, I would really appreciate it if you use my link. But anyway, last night I tested this one on one of the pillows, which has a similar fabric to our couch. So this is the same pillow. I tested it on this one over here. I sprayed it one layer only, and then this one is just a regular pillow without the spray. So this one has the spray, this one does not. They pretty much look the same. I wanted to test it before actually using it because it says on the bottle to test it out, and there are different pillows. It says on the bottle to test it out just to make sure what it would look like when it dries up, but in the bottle it says it dries clear. So as you can see, they're both the same color. So I tested it last night and let it sit overnight. So now I am confident and sure that I can safely use this for our sectional sofa. So since this spray is meant for the fabric, I don't want to like overspray it on my rug. So I am going to try to cover it while I'm doing the spraying. And then in the instruction is to shake the bottle thoroughly. And then it says here, hold can upright 6 inches from fabric surface, overlap spray using slow and sweeping motion. 2 light coats are better than 1 heavy coating. So I'm gonna follow that instruction. And then you're gonna have to, so I'm gonna let it dry for my first coat and then spray another layer so that it's really thoroughly sprayed. But as you can see, if you come closer and look at the difference from what I have sprayed already versus what I haven't sprayed, the color didn't change. So, but there is a little bit of smell. It's not too strong, but I guess it's a good thing if you just open your windows when you're doing this. So yeah, and then I'm gonna continue spraying on the rest of the area, and then later on for this part right here, I'll cover it with painter's tape so I don't spray on this one for the metal parts. So I know I was talking about in the beginning of the video that I was gonna cover painter's tape on the nail trims over here. I decided to just use the cloth and kind of like cover it with cover that area with a cloth, so it's easier, and I think that's gonna be, it should be good. So So this bottle is almost about empty, but I already covered that area, the front, all the front of the sectional, and then some of the part over here up to there. So that's the coverage for this one bottle. And the good thing is I bought 2 bottles, so I can use the other bottle now. Using the second bottle to finish the spraying in the back of the seats. I guess you can notice the way I sprayed the back is not as slow as the way I sprayed in the front, because the back, you know, people don't sit on it, so probably the traffic, not probably, but definitely the traffic of the dirt and the stains would be less on this side.